Steam on the window, mug in my hands. Street still half asleep, no big plans. Sun leaks through the blinds, finding my face. First cup of the quiet, first breath of the day. Let the world stay outside it for a little more gray. Warm and cozy, slow and small. I don't mind if nothing happens at all. Old chair by the corner, book left open wide. Foam ring on the table, time just slides. Soft hum of the kettle calms my